Hello everybody, I am your Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics. Today topic is escape velocity, most important short answer from the gravitation. Please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics. Clearly step by step I am going to explain. Okay, so AP and TS purpose, most important short answer for the board exam. Okay student, so first I am considering m is the mass of the earth and r is the radius of the earth, and small m is the mass of the body that we can call as satellite also, and ve is the escape velocity of the body, and o is the center of the earth represented in the diagram. Okay, the minimum velocity with which a body is projected so that it escapes from the earth gravitational field is called escape velocity. Okay, the velocity required with which the body is escaped from where, student? From the earth gravitational field. The minimum velocity is considering as what is that? Escape velocity. The value is 11.2 kilometer per second. How much? For 1 second we have to project a body 11.2 kilometer per second. Okay, see student, clearly written some derivation point of view theory. So small m is the mass of the body and capital M is the mass of the earth, and capital R is the radius of the earth, and V is the escape velocity. Okay, then the work done to carrying a body over the surface of the earth to infinite. So the body is moving from where, student? From the surface of the earth to the infinite distance away from the earth gravitational field, so that there is a work done on the body, the work done which is equal to G capital M small m divided by capital R, student. So work done to carry a body over the surface of the earth to infinite, clearly written. So that if this work done is equal to kinetic energy provided to the body, so work done which is stored in the form of what energy, student? There, kinetic energy to escape a body from the earth gravitational field from the surface of the earth to the infinite distance. Okay student, now the conclusion is what is that? The work done which is stored in the form of kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is of m v square, which is equal to work done is capital G universal gravitational constant, capital M mass of the earth, small m is the mass of the body, divided by R. Okay, so this equation work done, actually the work done which is stored in the form of gravitational potential energy. Okay, so that the velocity is what velocity, student? There, escape velocity. So now simply the velocity is representing VE, student. VE is the escape velocity. And continuation derivation there, in this equation mass is get cancelled, student. Small m is get cancelled, LHS side and also RHS side, and 2 is cross multiplication, so that I am getting VE square which is equal to 2 capital G capital M divided by R, student. Okay, so now VE which is equal to root over square replacing RHS side, square root of we will get, that is 2 G capital M divided by capital R, student. Okay, see there, here also we can replace the small g and capital G relation, student. That is small g which is equal to G M divided by R square. G acceleration due to gravity which is equal to gm divided by r square, but here we have gm by r only in the above equation, so r multiplying and dividing, student. See, ve which is equal to root over 2 into gm divided by r. Okay, in this r multiplying and r dividing, like this, r multiplying and r dividing denominator r into r is r square, so that escape velocity, which is equal to root over 2 into numerator gm divided by denominator r into r is r square into r is there. Okay, now the value is replacing in this equation. The resultant equation I'm going to write now, that is escape velocity ve, which is equal to root over 2 into, okay student, this gm by r square is equal to small g into r. I got escape velocity which is equal to root over small g into r. This is, I can write as equation number 1 student. In this equation, replacing acceleration due to gravity value, that is 9.8 meter per second square, and radius of earth is approximately 6400 kilometers. Then I will get the value, escape velocity value, that is equal to 11.2 kilometers per second. How much distance traveling in 1 second? So in 1 second time 11.2 kilometer distance is traveling. Then only the body is escape from the earth gravitational field student. The minimum velocity with which a body is projected so that it escape from the earth gravitational field is called escape velocity, in which the work done, which is g into small m capital M divided by r, the work done is equal to kinetic energy provided to the body. So according to the energy neither be created nor be destroyed, so work done which is stored in the form of kinetic energy, the work done is on the surface of the earth in the form of potential energy. Not writing, right, directly work done equation taken, so that both side kinetic energy equation, work done energy equation, both are replacing, so that small m is get cancelled. I got the escape velocity which is equal to root over 2gr student. Okay, please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics.